all the buttons aren't working. Like, if I try to...
Oh, yeah, like sliding's not. You know what I think it is?
What?
I think it might be your screen protector.
Could be.
Take a look. Yeah, you got a little bit of like water or something in there, yeah. Just dry it off real quick for you. Alright, let's give it a whirl now. See how it performs. What phone is this? S22?
Oh, no.
Look at that. Okay.
What's the password?
I think it's brand new. Pictures, everything.
Yeah, see, the one wasn't working.
Seems like it's working now, though.
Yeah. Yep.
Alright, let's give it a whirl, though.
I don't think it's gonna go on that side just because it's But anyways, that case is really protected.
Seems like it's doing good.
Shock absorbent, so
S23. I'll see if I have one. I may not, though. Yeah, unfortunately, I don't have any today. But if you want to stop by tomorrow, I'll have some more in stock.
Okay.
All right?
What do I owe you?
I just pulled off a screen protector, my friend. Stop by tomorrow. I'll sell you a screen protector. Sound fair?
Sound fair.
All right, perfect. Have a great day, sir. I'll see you tomorrow.